Bonjour, hello, welcome to Max Mountain World. Bonjour, hello, just out for a quick walk. I did a bit of a longer walk yesterday and I noted on the edit, I was shocked with myself that an empty can that I had in my back pocket to put in the rubbish was still lying on the ground when I left. Ciao! I hate rubbish on the mountain. I participate actively in post-season rubbish collection all over the mountain every season, and I've even done so in resorts where I used to live. So I'm going down to see if that can's still there. It's really bugging me. And also I noticed this morning one of my viewers actually commented on this. Well spotted, you know who you are, thank you. And I'm just going to take a trot down. Now the weather's taken a wee turn for the worst. Call it the worst. It's a bit interesting still. Seeing the water, the rain's landed overnight on the ground, and there's much cloud coming in from the bottom of the valley, but it's also creating cloud as it evaporates off the ground as well. Quite spectacular stuff. So anyway, I'm on my way down to go and see if that can's still there. Hopefully the camera's picking this up. You can see this evaporation thing happening off this path, obviously being a black tarmac path. It's a bit warmer from the sun's effect, but there's no sun today, but it's still retained its warmth from yesterday when it was sunny. So down here, across the piste and the bridge, this lift, the feature of many of my winter intros for my winter videos, and here we go. Quite an interesting little bridge this, because as I say, it goes over the piste and it's got a chairlift above it, but when you look down you can actually see right through it, being a metal grid to walk on. Just a bit of the snow's melt coming down here. This is what's left. This is, you can see that the snow pistol to the left has made this base, and that's the last of the snow to melt away. It's running away down there. And again, up by there you can see where this evaporation is happening. Another snow pistol just down the other side of the bridge. You can see the same effect. These tend to make a more sort of crystally solid wet snow which lasts longer. It turns to ice quicker and it forms the base of the piece, which makes them last longer through the winter season. So a bit of a change of scenery up here. We're kind of got, as I say, we're kind of in the cloud. I've managed to choose a point where it's not raining, so I'm not messing around with umbrellas and tripods and gimbals and cameras and all sorts of stuff. And again, ahead of us here, got this evaporation effect happening. It's not too far away down to where I did the outro yesterday, so we'll go down and see what's down there. Hopefully the can's been lifted by someone, but I'm going to have a good search around just in case someone just kind of booted it into touchdown the mountain or something. So just approaching where my crime was committed yesterday, and you can probably hear the river getting noisier as I approach. Well, the can's not there, whether it blew to one side, kicked to one side, or picked up and binned, I don't know. So bad news is I didn't find my can. Good news is I did find someone else's can. The very good news is I found a bottle too. So just gonna go a wee bit further down because I know there's a bin down here and I can pop them in it. And I suppose it's kind of like the way of the forest, as it were. It's an international law. You chop one tree down, you replant two. So in a way, mission successful? I don't know. So I've got to the bin and guess what? There's my can. So it's time for a celebratory cigarette, I'd say. And in the background here, you can see across the other side of the valley exactly what's happening. Just through this gap in the trees ahead of me here. See if I can get a line up there. You can see it's actually raining above. It's forecast to rain further today. And slightly off cam over to the side here, the top of there, a mountain over there, it's actually turning white, so it's snowing up there. Beautiful spot. Nice place to stop for a fag. So, anyway, so there we are, a little video for today. Mountain cleanups, cleaning up behind yourself and cleaning up behind others. Very important part of mountain life. So, don't forget, you can subscribe down there. Don't forget to click the alert bell for notifications of future videos from MaxMountainWorld. Remember, you can comment down below, hit the like if you like these videos, share this with people online, offline, whatever. More to the point, thanks very much for watching. Your support is so much appreciated. Until the next video, ciao. Max's log supplementary. Still got a bit of time left on my 1 hour, so spotted a little path. Gonna go for a little wander down there and see what it's about. And just before I do, another point. Being a smoker, I always carry a pocket ashtray.